Here's a quick little ditty. I'm working on dining chairs for a table that I built, and this is based on a design by Four Eyes Furniture. And anyway, so there's a lot of non-90-degree angles going on here because it's a mid-century modern design. It's very difficult to clamp these because I need pressure this direction, and then I need pressure this direction, and I've got this slope. So anyway, these devices, they're actually a clamp that's made for clamping down to like a table saw or something, because they've got these components that go with them where you can thread that through this aluminum piece and into the track of the table saw or whatever track you've got for a table tool. But at any rate, these work really great for solving this problem. And so what we do is just clamp these on here and then run your clamp, your large clamp between these two and pull these two. And it gives a nice even pull, and you can tell by the way the glue oozes out evenly across there. But just showing you these, they do have a texture on them, and that's what grips the wood. And I've been using it. It doesn't hurt this black walnut at all. But I clamp that heavily right over that, and then that holds it. And I've just looked for an angle where I'm going to pull my clamp between here and here, so you can see that kind of hits the middle of the piece I'm joining. Otherwise, I really the other thing that did work was actually in the schematics for the chair itself. The guys at Four Eyes Furniture, Chris Solomon and Sean, they detailed these. He takes 3/4 inch plywood, and I made these and then put sandpaper on the back. And that does the same thing, except that once I over-tightened it and broke one of these. So these are more fragile, certainly, than these are indestructible. So they're nice to have, and a kind of a multi-purpose deal. And I suggest those for any time you're making furniture with obtuse angles, these mid-century modern type things. So good luck.